our company was founded from my father in 1971. We are a tool maker. We produce tools for many different fields. Our main market is automotive. The quality of the machine that we use is the most important point, because only with quality device, quality machine tool, you are able to obtain the best quality of the finished part.
MECLOSTAMPI in the high quality of product, especially Sodick, Yazda product with high level of technology and performance. This point with the MECLOSTAMPI staff together start growing up the performance and the level of the product which MECLOSTAMPI is producing now.
In my opinion, it's a stupid thing when you have to buy a machine, for example, to choose the cheapest solution, because when you buy something, you have also to put on the table all the conditions, that is the quality of the machine, but also the service. It's a nonsense to save money in advance and to spend more later. In my mind, I don't remember a stoppage of my machine for the maintenance or for the service. This is the answer. Only with the best machine on the market, we are sure to give to the customer the best solution. I make an example for the working of the carbide. In the past it was a problem. For Sodick it was not a problem. With other brand machine, in the past it was a problem working carbide, because we had a problem with the surface. With Sodick they solved the problem many years in advance. So the possibility to offer to the customer advanced solution, to be not the cheapest but the best supplier. With the stamping department we have the possibility to see the life of our tool, and if an active part is made with the right accuracy, high finishing, it means longer life of the tool that we can test directly in our department.
Important point is the success of MECLOSTAMPI, and in the same level I can say success also for Celada, because we are going in the same direction, and the target should be keep high level of MECLOSTAMPI product, but also Celada support.
The policy of our company is that to follow the best technical solution on the market. I'm sure that Sodick, from what I saw during the last year, the improvement is a constant improvement. So it's a nonsense now to change our technical solution. So for us, Sodick, it will be also the future.